Welcome to Connected Plant video tutorial for work permits. Connected Plant can be set up using the company's own work permit system or a Connected Plant built-in system. This tutorial provides an introduction on how to request work permits and log into your system using the Connected Plant built-in work permit engine. Enjoy! After logging into the Connected Plant system, you will be faced with an application overview of what applications you are qualified for. The applications on top are the ones with already approved access permits, and the ones below requires a work permit. Request a new access permit by pressing the Request Access Permit. The following form appears. Fill in the details of your access permit request, including reason for access, the system requested access to, and the start and finish times for the access permit. Then press Save. The request is now being forwarded to the system owner who will either approve or deny the request. You are then forwarded to My Access Permits menu selection, where you can track the status of your access permits. After your access permit has been granted by the system owner, you will receive an email letting you know that the permit has been approved. You can then log in to Connected Plant at the planned time period. After logging in, you will see the requested application available on top, and you are now able to press Start and go to work. This concludes the introduction video to access permits in Connected Plant. Hope you found it informative, and please visit our website for additional resources. Thank you and have a great day.